Hello, I'm Jake Hammercott and I'm a junior technician here at Somerford Associates with experience in Splunk with a main focus on the security suite, and I've got certifications in Splunk architecture and enterprise security administration. Today we're kicking off on our short series Splunk Stream Explained by diving into the architecture around the Splunk Stream app and showing where it's applicable across different architecture deployments. So Stream is an easy to use, scalable solution that delivers real-time visibility into applications and infrastructure performance without deep instrumentation. So it passively collects streaming application performance data from the network and makes it available for analysis in the Splunk platform. Stream also brings proactive and dynamic cloud visibility with on-the-fly deployments and fine-grained filtering capabilities. So it utilizes a single software image, and then it can be seamlessly deployed on physical or virtual hosts in hybrid, private or public clouds. It deploys really quickly and makes current application intelligence immediately available to everybody in your organization. Stream can be integrated into most Splunk estates as it offers apps and add-ons for search heads, indexers and forwarders. It can sit on most Splunk stacks, and today we're going to be going through a few examples. If you're working in a managed Splunk cloud deployment, you'll first have to get in contact with your Splunk cloud account team so that they're able to set up your search head and indexer configurations. For forwarding the stream captures, two add-ons are supported. So for universal forwarders, the add-on for stream forwarders will use Splunk to Splunk protocols to send data. For heavy forwarders, the add-on for stream forwarders and the add-on for stream data wire is used, and this sits within the indexing pipeline processing. For an ISF or independent stream forwarder, captured data is sent by having the forwarder installed on a hex server, and then this is then sent to the Splunk cloud indexers. And these forwarders also make use of the add-on for stream forwarders. For distributed environments, each app or add-on needs to be installed on the relevant server, with deployment servers having the opportunity to automatically distribute the stream forwarder add-on to universal forwarders. Single instance deployments, which are often used for testing or development, need to utilize all three of the apps and add-ons Stream provides into the Splunk Enterprise box. Splunk has a fully comprehensive set of documentation for installing and integrating Stream into your environment, and this kind of reflects the many different ways that your architecture may be. So it's definitely worth looking into during or before your adoption. Additionally, if you'd like to learn more about Splunk Stream or any other Splunk offering, please feel free to get in touch with us at info@somerfordassociates.com. Thank you for watching the first instalment of our Splunk Stream Explained series.